National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clermont County, northwestern Brown County, southeastern Warren County, southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, Highland County in south central Ohio, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blanchester, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Hillsborough, Greenfield, Lancaster, Sabina, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Morrow, Marshall, Highland Holiday, Rocky Fork Point, Russell, Woodville, Staunton, New Market, Owensville, Clarksville, and Harveysburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 35 and 51.
Cover much ground, got game by the town. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away.